Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Most range repairs will require some disassembly of the appliance. Before you attempt this, be sure to unplug the appliance first. To access components through the back of the range, simply remove the screws securing the main rear panel and set the panel aside. When the repair is complete, replace the rear panel and secure the screws. If your repair requires accessing components under the range's main top, lift the main top up until the support rods snap into place. When the repair is complete, lower the main top by first lifting the top while depressing the support rods. To remove the oven door, open the door to the broil position. Then lift it up and off the hinge supports. Reinstall the door by aligning it with the hinge supports and pushing the door into position. Once the range is fully reassembled, you can plug it back in and check the appliance to make sure it's functioning properly.